Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Let's hard reset, password remove oppo A52. If you forgot your pin, pattern, screen lock, you can remove at home. First charge the phone 30-40% and then switch it off the phone. First can switch it off phone. Now volume down and the power key you have to press together, volume down and power key. Okay, keep holding until you see the recovery. Keep holding until you see the logo. Now you can release. As you can see, this is the wipe data from the volume down, or you can select with volume down. Okay, bring on wipe data and now press power key once and it's wiping. Wiped data, format data. Can press on wipe data, format data.